Hi everyone, this is Jasper from Synogen. In this video, I will introduce Foton Brock road cleaning and sweeping truck series products. Foton Brock road cleaning and sweeping truck can be used separately as road sweeper for road cleaning and pumping operation, and can also be used as a high pressure washing truck for road cleaning and pumping operations. Foton Brock road cleaning and sweeping diesel truck based on Foton M4 chassis. Powered by Cummins or Yunei diesel engine, coupled with Foton ZF or 1 Liang transmission, using Yihe front axle and Qinte rear axle. Foton Brock road cleaning and sweeping EV truck using CATL batteries and offers 5 types of battery capacity for customer to choose from, including 98 kWh, 229 kWh, 246 kWh, 292 kWh, and 332 kWh. The superstructure is equipped with hydraulic system, 2 vertical sweepers, super wide suction nozzle, built-in high-pressure water spray bar, left and right high-pressure side spray bars, 4 mm thickness stainless steel garbage cans. Foton Brock road cleaning and sweeping truck have capacity of 4.5 cubic meter, 5 cubic meter, 9 cubic meter, and 10 cubic meter clean water tank, equipped with intelligent electric control system, which achieves one-button easy operation. Based on Foton new generation sanitation truck chassis, powered by world-leading power system, system integration designed electric control system, world-renowned hydraulic system, combined with Brock's decades of imitation design experience, Foton Brock sanitation truck deliver great power performance, high reliability, and high durability. It is your reliable working partner. As exclusive exporting partner of Foton Brock, Synogen looking forward to work with business partners from all over the world. For more details about Foton Brock sanitation truck products and service, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.sanitation-truck.com.